Garage storage. Organizing your space efficiently. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, garage storage. This is a common term in English, especially relevant for homeowners or those interested in organization. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively. Garage storage refers to the way in which items are organized and stored in a garage, a common area in many homes used for storing vehicles, tools, and other items. The phrase encompasses everything from shelves and cabinets to hooks and bins used in a garage. Understanding this term is key for discussing home organization and space management. In this section, we'll explore different types of garage storage solutions. From overhead racks for large items to wall-mounted shelves for easy accessibility, there are numerous ways to maximize garage space. We'll look at popular options like cabinets, tool chests, and pegboards, explaining how each can be used effectively. Now, let's talk about practical tips. Organizing a garage can be overwhelming, so we'll discuss strategies to declutter and categorize items. This includes tips on how to decide what to keep, what to discard, and how to arrange items for maximum efficiency and ease of access. Even with the right tools, organizing a garage can be challenging. In this section, we'll cover common mistakes such as overcrowding shelves or neglecting vertical space, and how to avoid them. Understanding these pitfalls can make your garage storage efforts much more effective. I hope this video has helped you understand the concept of garage storage and given you some useful tips on how to organize your garage effectively. Remember, a well-organized garage can save you time and make your daily routine much easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content.